Hello students, in my last lecture I have explained about how to declare, construct and initialize one-dimensional array. Now in this video I will explain about two-dimensional array. So first of all, let's see the syntax of how we can declare a two-dimensional array. So the syntax to declare it is data type, then name of array, then two square brackets, one for row and the second one is for column. Say for example, integer is a data type, name of array is AR1 and then two square brackets. You can also write this line as integer, then two square brackets and then name of array. Next is to construct an array. So the syntax to construct an array is name of array, then two square brackets equals to new data type, and here in this square we will write the size of row and column. Now let's say 3 by 3, that is this two-dimensional array is having 3 rows and 3 columns. Now how to initialize values to the array. Now as this is a 3 by 3 array, which means values we can refer values of this array as cells of a table. So let's initialize values to this array. AR1 of 0 0 equals to 1, which means this cell, first row and first column. Now we say AR1 of 0 1, which means first row and second column, that is this cell. Next, AR1 of 0 2, that is first column and first row and third column, that is this cell. So this is how we can initialize values to the two-dimensional array. Now let's see a simple program in which we will print values of array element. First of all, let's declare a class. Then I will create my main method. Now as I told how we can declare a two-dimensional array. So data type, name of the array equals to new integer. So here I am declaring a 2 by 2 array, that is array having a table having 2 rows and 2 columns. So two-dimensional array having 2 rows and 2 columns. Now let's initialize values to this array. As it is a 2 by 2 array, we will be able to store 4 values in this array. Now here AR1 of 0 0 means first row and first column. AR1 of 0 1, that means first row and second column. This is for second row and first column, and second row and second column. So this is how you can initialize values to array. Now let's print all these values. So for that we will take a for loop. One for loop is for value of rows, and second for loop is for values of column. So for loop with I is for to print values in a row, and for loop for j is to print values in column. Now, so when I is equals to 0 and j is equal to 0, then the AR1 of 0 0, that means 1 will be printed. Next, when I equals to 1, when I is equals to 0 and j equals to 1, then AR1 of 0 1, which means value 2 will be printed. And this is how all 4 elements will be printed. Now let's save and run the program. So I have saved my program as this 2D array.java. So when I compile my program, as it is compiled successfully, now I will run the program. So you can see all array elements are printed. So this is how you can print elements of array. So I hope the concept of 2D array is clear. If you have any query regarding this, then please feel free to email me. I have written my email ID in the description box. Thank you.